Thank you for buying this Podium desk from Fixture Displays. We're going to do a little unboxing. Our website is www.fixturedisplays.com. And if you have any questions, feel free to email us at cs@fixturedisplays.com, charliesam@fixturedisplays.com. Here are all the components. We laid the components in groups: the base, the centerpiece, and then the top assembly. There are many parts, but if you watch the video and take your time to identify the parts, it should be fairly straightforward to assemble. So take your time to get familiar with all the components before you get started. Light duty power drill would help to fasten all the bolts into the nuts that are embedded to the boards. If you have any questions, email us cs, that's Charlie Sam at fixturedisplays.com. You can also call or text us 630-296-4190. Now you see all the bolts are fastened into the board. I recommend you do so to save time. Now we're going to assemble the three smaller pieces before we sit it onto the base. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. The cams all face the opening of the hole. There is an arrow on the cam indicating where you should face. If the cam is rotated away from that direction, that arrow direction, you're going to have a little tolerance issue, and sometimes may prevent you from a successful assembly. So take time, make sure the orientation is correct. Now we're going to sit the sub-assembly onto the base. There are total 6 bolts here. Make sure to line up all the holes. Again, all the cams must have the arrow facing straight down toward the opening of the hole. Now you can tighten the cams. When you tighten the cams, don't tighten too much, just enough to lock it. Now we're going to install the casters. Now the base is ready. We can flip it. Notice there's a hole in the bottom. That's where your wiring, if you desire to, installation should be. Now we have more embedded nuts here. Fasten the bolts, all of them, and then we can put the base aside. If you like our product and service, we can really use a good review. Sometimes people are unhappy, leave reviews, and make us, our honest sellers, life pretty hard. And the not so honest sellers would purchase reviews and fake reviews that would very honest suppliers like us. So if you care, take a minute or two, leave a good review. If you have any suggestions, we are here to listen. Now we're going to assemble the center piece, 3 large panels, in a very similar fashion. Once it's together, we're going to bring that down to sit on the base. I definitely recommend you have 2 people to do that. So once they're lined up, forgive us, the lighting condition of the center of the tower is less than ideal. But the idea is very straightforward. You would fasten all the cams, turn the cams clockwise. Now we're going to demonstrate how to put the top piece together. Fixture Displays produce many stock items along with custom make items. If you have any job you wish us to quote on, we would be delighted to see if we can save you money. Again, the hole opening is for wiring management. The hole should be away from the speaker. We're going to install the flange pieces. We're going to do the front and back first before we put the sides on. Now you can turn the cams in the back and then put the side pieces on and then lock it. Now the wood braces, solid wood braces are meant for where the top panel is at. Now you can tighten more nuts. The reason the nuts in this scenario is in the bottom is so that you have it is easier to work with, and you also have a clean inside to work with. Now this particular piece would go onto the top portion. They are using wooden dowels. Use a uh, mallet to hammer that. Make sure it's flush between the two wooden dowels. Then you can insert that into these positions. Now we can close the other side of the top. We're just minutes away from finishing this assembly. If you are interested in placing a large order, feel free to contact us. We don't keep a lot of inventory, but we can definitely pre-order and make them for you. Now we have the top piece nicely assembled. We're going to put down the reading panel. Again, you see the holes for wiring management goes all the way up, so you can put the microphones or speakers or whatever you have for installation through those holes. We also supplied 2 hole covers. You can push them down. Now for illustration purpose, we didn't push it all the way down because it would be hard to take out afterwards. Now we're going to ready to bring this top piece onto the sub-assembly. We carry many different versions of podiums. We will definitely welcome you to browse our website, fixturedisplays.com. It also comes with 2 shelves. You can position the shelves in many adjustable spots by putting the shelf support pin into desired positions. Of course, you want to make sure your pins are level, or in the same level for that matter. We hope you enjoy watching this video, and feel free to share among your friends or colleagues who may have an interest in this product. If you care to send us a photograph of this product in use at your establishment, we would be honored to feature that in our many websites. Again, the one with the notch meant to be facing inward so that your wire can go through with no trouble. We want to thank you for shopping Fixture Displays. And then 2 wheels is meant where you can tilt the podium and move around with ease. We're confident that you made a good purchasing choice by shopping with the Fixture Displays. And this is how you would tilt it and then move it around. This is a fairly heavy product. Make sure you have that in mind. If you want a light duty unit, this is not that. This is heavy quality product.